Saima Numan. He's from University of Lahore. And the topic for his presentation is auto-calibration and uncertainty analysis of SWOT model for Haro River watershed using sequential uncertainty fitting algorithm, means Sufi algorithm. So with this, I request Saima Numan to please share his knowledge. And now the time allocated for this presentation is 15 minutes, please. Saima Numan.
So please let me know, can you see my presentation slide?
Not yet.
Yes, your presentation is now fine.
Okay. So the presentation that I'm going to give is based upon my research study at University Putra, Malaysia. It is based on auto-calibration and uncertainty analysis of SWOT model for Haro River watershed using sequential uncertainty fitting SUFI2 algorithm. So this is some of the presentation overview. I'll be discussing the introduction, the objectives of my study, the study area, requirements of the data, methodology, results, and the conclusion. So calibration is actually based upon minimizing the difference between the physical observations and those simulated by the model. It basically ensures that the model is well simulating all the physical processes that are occurring in the atmosphere. And the calibration is based upon the inputs that we are feeding into the model structure, and the calibration data. The uncertainty analysis is based upon the evaluation of those calibrated parameters and to check their performance. And it also accounts for all the uncertainties that are actually taking place in the input of the model, and it propagates it to the model output. The sensitivity analysis is based upon the identification of the key factors that are influencing the model as well as the physical system. So the hydrological simulation of Haro River watershed was carried out in soil and water assessment tool using all the observed meteorological data set. It is a semi-distributed process-based river watershed model, and the calibration and validation, uncertainty analysis, and the sensitivity analysis of SWOT model was carried out in SWOT-CUP. Basically, SWOT-CUP is a generic interface, and it links the calibration and sensitivity analysis of the SWOT model through SUFI2. So the study area is actually located on the upstream side of Khanpur Dam. It originates from Murree and Nathia Gully, and flowing through Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Punjab province, it drains at Dhartia gauging station. So the data requirements for the study included the spatial data, that included digital elevation model, soil data, and the land use data. The observed meteorological data for the two nearest gauging stations located at Murree and Islamabad were obtained, and it included the precipitation data, minimum and maximum temperature data, solar radiation data, relative humidity, and the wind speed data. For the Hatia gauging station, the monthly observed discharge was also obtained, and it was used for the calibration and validation of the model. The modeling, hydrological modeling was carried out using SWOT. Then the calibration, validation, uncertainty analysis, and the sensitivity analysis was carried out using SUFI2. And the objective functions, Nash-Sutcliffe efficiency, and the coefficient of determination were evaluated, as well as the P factor and R factor were computed that are specific for the SUFI2 software. In the soil and water assessment tool, the watershed is first lineated based upon the digital elevation model. The HIUs are defined based upon the specific land use, soil, and slope data that is given to the model. After the incorporation of the meteorological data, the model is set to run. The calibration of the model using sequential uncertainty fitting 2 involves the calibration for the gauging for this discharge data that we have provided to the model. Total of 16 parameters were used for the analysis, And in SOFI 2, for each defined parameter, the output is based upon the best range of parameters that is found out based upon the first range of the parameters that we have given to the model. In this case, 2 iterations were done, each consisted of 50 or 500 simulations. Then the calibrated parameter ranges obtained finally were used to validate the model. The sensitivity analysis in SOFI 2 was carried out using global sensitivity analysis. In the uncertainty analysis, the initial ranges of the parameters are constrained with each subsequent iteration, and the final ranges of the parameters obtained are given that are showing the best ranges of the parameters for the objective functions. These were the parameter ranges that were fed initially, and the final ranges of the parameters with their maximum and minimum values are shown. The parameters that were fed to the model include the runoff parameters, the groundwater parameters, snow parameters, and the soil parameters. The results of the model are based upon the values obtained for P factor, R factor, Nash-Sutcliffe efficiency, and the coefficient of determination. The P factor is actually giving us the 95% prediction uncertainty envelope that should envelop most of the Mayer data set. And R factor is the Mayer that defines the thickness of the 95 PPU band obtained. The coefficient of determination gives the correlation between the observed and the simulated data, whereas the Nash-Sutcliffe efficiency checks the model performance by determination of the fit between the observed and the simulated data. The acceptable ranges of the P factor and R factor as given by Abbaspur et al. For the SWOT model are 0.7 and 1.5 respectively, whereas the value of coefficient of determination in the acceptable range is 0.5 and the Nash-Sutcliffe value of 0.75 to 1 is considered a good model performance. The results of the calibration and validation for the Haro River watershed are shown in the table. The P factor, R factor, NSE and R square values are found to be in the good acceptable range, and it shows good performance of the model. Based upon the sensitivity analysis, we can see we find the results based upon the least p-value and the largest absolute t-stat. T-stat actually represents the precision of the coefficients of the Mayer coefficients, and p-value, the smaller the p-value, it represents that more sensitive the parameter will be. So based upon the values obtained, we have found out that the groundwater delay CN2 that is related to the surface runoff, soil permeability, and the soil bulk moist density are found to be the most sensitive parameters. It shows that the groundwater processes, surface runoff, and the soil processes are dominating the area of Haro River watershed. So in the conclusions, we can say that the calibration and validation of the SWOT model is successful while we are using the SOFI 2. The model showed very good performance during calibration as well as the validation phase, and the sensitivity analysis proves that groundwater factors, surface runoff, and the soil parameters are the most sensitive ones. And the sensitive parameters are recommended to be used for any future study that is based on the Haro River watershed and for any similar watersheds. I thank you all for your time and patience.
Thank you very much for completing your presentation before time.